Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time and review of this pre-owned heavy-duty LeBlond 28.5 swing over bed by 144-inch distance between center. So it's a 28.5 by 144 heavy-duty engine lathe, model 2516, serial number 3NFL1228. This happens to be our stock number 646. That being said, we're going to go ahead and run the machine through its paces and show you the feed speeds and the general operations of this heavy-duty 2516 LeBlond. Go ahead, Frankie, take it from the edge. Okay, we're currently running at 10 RPM. Please note, we have a 20-inch heavy-duty 4-jaw chuck mounted to the L2 spindle nose. The spindle bore on this machine is 2.5 inches. .141 RPM. Thank you, sir. Coming up a little bit closer here. .845 RPMs. I want to point out how heavy duty this tailstock is. We're going to get up close in a moment and inspect the ways. 1,300 RPM, thank you. Beautiful. Let me get going on some specs here. We've got a 28.5-inch swing over the bed, 16 inches swing over the cross slide, 144 inches distance between centers. The spindle bore is 2.5 inches. I'll let you get going on a slow RPM speed so we can engage some, thank you. The spindle bore on this machine is 2.5 inches. It currently has a 40 horsepower main drive motor. The machine is presently wired at 440 volts. Here's the back view showing the electrics and the motor. Machine's complete with the taper attachment, heavy duty taper attachment. Here's the Caterpillar track showing the taper. Take advantage of a minute and show you the ways up near the headstock from the rear side. Maybe about 10 seconds to come around the front. Here's the back side of the cross. Walking into the steady rests. There's two heavy-duty steady rests, 10-inch hole and 16-inch hole. Putting out the live center with the number 5 Morse taper in the tailstock. Go ahead, Frank, sorry. A little bit of real estate to cover on that one. Okay, we're engagement of the cross slide. Frankie's pointing out with the digital readouts, showing where we're at. It has a Sony Latheman LH series digital readout on it. It has the SL30 style digi-ruler tape on the back, and it has the standard cross slide scale. The digital readout is included at no additional charge. The machine also is it's a hard way machine. It also comes complete with the heavy-duty bell nose live center. It has the 2 steady rests. Go ahead. Showing the power out the traverse. It's lever-operated power out the traverse. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I want to get up and show them the condition of the cross slide. Sure. Dials, cross slide, apron, compound, absolutely fantastic condition. I'm going to sneak another shot into these ways up here, the headstock. Will you take that quote from me for a sec? Yeah, thanks. Okay, sorry about the delay there. Showing the ways up near the headstock. I'm going to park over here. By the way, here's the follower rest that goes with the machine, heavy duty follower rest. I'm going to park over here for a second. This LeBlond 2516 heavy duty is a hard bed machine. Again, on the spindle speed, there's 36 of them ranging from 10 to 1300. It has 66 threads ranging from 1 to 60 TPI and 60 feeds from slow to fast. It's currently wired at 440 volts. The overall weight of this machine is 25,000 pounds. All right, Frank, we're 7 minutes in. Should we cut it at that? All right. Well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, if there's any additional information we can show you on this machine, please let us know. Our website is www.machineryconsultants.com, and we're available by telephone at any time at 801-531-9500. Again, we're located in Salt Lake City, Utah. Thank you again for your time and review. Have a great 4th of July weekend.